Hey everyone, my name's BYoung with BYoung Design. I'm excited because I am going to take you on a tour today of an ADU I designed in La Jolla. We're just finishing up construction. We're just about to do a final clean, so it's not furnished yet, but I'm very excited to take you on the tour. This project actually won the AIA award for ADU last year, so I'm really excited to show you what it's turned out to be. All right, let's go. Okay guys, I'm gonna take you inside. Let's go. All right, as we first enter, we've got the great room. Some nice clear story windows up top. There's gonna be a little bit of an echo because we're not furnished yet, but one thing was important to me was being able to instantly see out to the trees. So if you look back, there's the kitchen, and I wanted it to be able to be open, so these doors will totally open, and it'll create this indoor-outdoor space and connection between the two spaces. So the clear story windows add a ton of light, as you can see. We've got our kitchenette, still in progress. And then my favorite part is how the clear story windows here just bring in all the tree and vegetation. So it makes the space is small, it's only 500 square feet. So it makes this space feel way bigger. All right, let's take you into the bathroom. This is a pretty cool wallpaper that we're going to be putting in. We wanted to bring a little bit of color because we have a lot of whites and neutrals, and that's kind of the goal for the main fixed features. But we still want to bring in some playfulness. So we're gonna do that. And then we have this really beautiful light that really plays off that kind of like beach home ADU. So this is all a compact space. So with this, I wanted materials to be seamless. I also wanted to bring in a lot of light. So we've got this really big window that can be opened out. It's a casement, and then you can actually go out onto the deck in the back. So moving into the bedroom, which is actually going to be an art room. Got this super cool vintage Art Deco light. Let's see if I got the light on. The light's not set up quite yet, but this is a really cool piece that the owners got. And we did a really big built-in workspace. So this is gonna be an art studio, a space for creativity. So we want a lot of natural light, a lot of free space and movement. So you'll see, like, I don't have any lights on right now, and the space is just really open. But the space, again, is compact. This is a pretty minimal sized room, so it's worked out perfectly. Now off the bedroom or art room, we have a little deck. And this is nice because if you do have guests over, they can come out to this deck, and it's separated from the main house. This is separated from the main house, so you can feel like you have your own separate little area that's private. And once that's all cleared out, you do have steps, so you do have a little backyard space. Obviously it's probably only like 8 feet, but you can put some chairs there or something. And there's that bathroom window. So thank you so much for going on a little tour with me. It's been really exciting to show this place because We had to go through the Coastal Commission for this permit, so it has been a long haul getting ready to get this ready, and it's so exciting to finally see it created. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I have some process photos and videos on my Instagram too, so if you want to follow along there, go ahead.